do I see deploying the TPS speed.
Heading back up range. All right. Professor Miller is honest.
I appreciate that. Yeah,
Got it bound.
In the future, there's going to be all the Marines are going to know that startup sequence and be like, all right, it's go time.
That beep.
Not like the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if you
Plug it in.
Plug in.
I mean, the engineers do a lot of that. They've got that in their
BTX check.
Yeah.
Clear prop. Good. All right, good. This one's a new battery.
Skyraider copies 18 Sierra Tango Delta 9er 12.
Transmitting waypoint 4.
Continue.
3, 2, 1. Currently at 8 knots. Drop.
Prosecute on forward.
I have positive drop.
So is that 30 seconds of
Sorry about that.
Who was it coming from? I wasn't there.
Honest.